area somewhere and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and hit the like button if you like today's video. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of new makeup. Now there's one product that I don't have right now that's still coming, so I'm showing that, but I will probably do more videos with that product. So I mentioned this one before in the other video. This is the Milani Goddess Sleep Mask and Face Primer. I love this one. It smells so good. It's nice. I love the color too. It's so pretty. Like a mint and creamy. So I'm just going to rub it in between my fingers first, just to kind of warm it up a little bit, and then I'm going to apply it. I also like to kind of soak this into my skin just a little bit. So right after I apply it, I just darkly go into my brows. So this is another one that I mentioned in another video. This is the Bella Brow Dream Look micro pen. So what it says to do is to hold the pen like this and kind of flick up. And then it'll, like that it has that like fork thing for hair like strokes. And I got it in brown, starting with the other eyebrow now. So off camera really quick, I'm going to do my foundation and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have foundation on, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. And this is in medium peach. I'm just going to go under the eyes, the nose, and any blemishes. I'm going to take my beauty blender just to blend it. Now I'm going to set the concealer. I'm going to use my Catrice Baking and Setting Loose Powder. This is in translucent. I'm first just going to set under eye concealer, and I'm going to use my Kachuk concealer brush. And I'm only going to set the under eye. Take my big Sephora fluffy brush. I'm just going to take that and set the rest of the face. Okay, so for primer, this is another new product. This is the Burts eyeshadow primer. Yeah, I'm going to take an old-fashioned brush. This is an angled brush. Fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to coat the entire eye with primer. So this is really not that new, but I'm gonna put it in the I'm gonna put this in the new product video anyway. So this is the Maybelline the City Mini palette. I'm first going to take this shade here. I'm going to do one eye on camera and then I'll do the other eye on camera. And I'm going to take the Morphe M158 brush. First, I'm just going to create a thin line on the lash line. I have a face, so now that we're all zoomed in, I'm just going to create. You don't have to go. You don't have to really precise with this, so we're going to smoke it out anyway. With another brush, I'm going to use the Evan Tools. This is a large eyeshadow brush. I have no idea. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm going to try this. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild coloricon bronzer for a lid shade. I'm just going to put that directly above the liner that we just placed. Okay, so I'm going to take the same brush that we used to apply the bronzer. I'm just going to take the shade that we used for the eyeliner and flick it up and kind of blend or smoke it out. I'm going to finish up the other eye really quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put on some mascara really quick. I'm going to use the Rimmal Scandel Eyes Volume On Demand Mascara. Normally I do 2 coats, but I'm going to do 1 just because we're wearing lashes today. So I'm going to go back into my bronzer and just kind of bronze up the cheekbones a little bit. And the forehead area. And jawline. And then I'm going to take my blush. This is from Wet n Wild. This is in, oh, it's also a coloricon. This is in the color Pinch Me Pink. I'll put that on the apple of the cheek. So I have another new product. This is actually one that I didn't show in my last video. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the color Self Start. It's just like a coral pink. Focus. Alright, so the lashes today we're going to use the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. To glue in, I'm going to use my Dia white strip, or white lash glue. I'll come right back after I'm done. So, I have the lashes on. The lash glue is still kind of, I still have to clean that one up. Well, enjoyed today's video. See you guys tomorrow for another one. Bye!